Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. Today's topic is about Leonard's formula. Just like mirror formula, this Leonard's formula is the relationship between three important terms. One of the term is object image position, another is object position, and another is focal length. Or we can state that this mirror formula is the relationship between image distance, objective distance, and focal length of the lens. And this particular relationship between these three terms is shown as 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 over f. This particular relationship, it is applicable for both concave as well as convex lens, or we can state that it is applicable for both concave lens as well as convex lens, or it is applicable for both spherical lenses. And this lens formula, it is different from mirror formula only in its side, whereby we show this part of this equation as 1 over v plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f in case of mirror formula, whereas here it is 1 over v minus 1 over v minus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. It is the basic difference between this Leonard's and mirror formula. In case of Leonard's formula, we show it as 1 over v minus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. Whereas in case of mirror formula, we use as 1 over v plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. The difference in both these formulas, that is mirror formula and Leonard's formula, is only of the sign. In case of mirror formula, we use plus sign, while in case of Leonard's formula, we use minus sign. And this relationship between the object distance, image distance, and focal length is used or gives us the information about the magnification of the lens, in which we came at a conclusion to know about the ratio of the height of the image to the ratio of the height of the object. Or we can state that this magnification, it is shown by letter M. It is equal to h2 divided by h1, which is equal to image distance divided by object distance, or which is equal to the image height divided by object height. This magnification, or we can state that this linear magnification, it shows us the ratio of the height of the image, ratio of the height of the image to the ratio of the height of the object. Or this magnification shows us the ratio, or it shows us the relationship between image distance to the object distance. And just like linear magnification in case of mirrors, in case of spherical mirrors, that is just like the same, but only differences of the sign, whereby we use a minus sign here, whereas in case of Leonard's formula, there is the projection of plus sign, or there is no projection of the sign. We can state it as in magnification, in linear magnification of mirrors, वहाँ पे हम माइनस साइन यहाँ पे लगाते हैं, और इन केस ऑफ लीनियर मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ लेंसेज वहाँ पे हम कोई साइन नहीं लगाते हैं. Whereas in case of Leonard's formula, यहाँ पे हम माइनस साइन लगाते हैं बीच में, while in case of mirror formula, वहाँ पे हम कौन सी साइन लगाते हैं, वहाँ पे हम प्लस साइन लगाते हैं. So ये दोनों ये Leonard's formula as well as linear magnification, they differ from mirror formula as well as the linear magnification by mirrors only in case of sign convention. This was all about today's lecture. Have a nice day.